It's been a tale of two halves today. We started off the day thinking that we are all set to make those record high levels, but that's not the case. We are ending not at the lowest point of the trading session, but almost 150 points off the highest point. It's Bank Nifty that was underperforming today yet again. Private banks like Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, these were your key laggards, and even the market breadth turned unfavorable by the end of the day. We started off with quite a bit of gusto as far as the broader market is concerned, but by the end of the day, it's more favoring the declines versus the advances. In terms of the sector-specific mood, it was the underperformers that were seeing a bit of outperformance today. So whether it was PSU banking names, IT, Pharma, these were bouncing back, while you had some profit booking on the real estate, on the auto, on the FMCG pack. In terms of stock-specific action, a lot of brokerage-based action is what we saw today. 5-star, the Nomura initiation taking the stock high by 7%. Jindal Steel, the Kotak upgrade, also giving a fillip to the stock by around 6%. And then you had names like Electra Green Tech, which responding to the order inflow that came in. Talking about order inflow, that was the case for Skipper as well. That goes home with a gain of around 20%. Credit Access Grameen was higher by 7%. E-Clerks, Balaji MI, Shriram Finance on account of that block deal that happened. They were the stocks which were in focus. From the pharma space, a bit of a bounce back on some of the healthcare and diagnostic names. So Lal PathLab was higher by 5%. You have Kim's, which was higher by around 4.5%, and even Nykaa by the end of the trading session managed to gain as much as 4%. What really lost out was Paytm, so that was down in the trading session, Aisha, and then of course Adani Enterprises too managed to end on the back foot.
Yeah, absolutely. Telecom, realty, infrastructure, banks, they were the big drags today. But that's pretty much it on this edition of Closing Trades. We'll catch you again with all the market action tomorrow morning at 8 a.m.